house. And yeah, there are some issues with the driveway. This one. Okay. And I don't think there is a division on the front side between the neighboring house. It is very steep, the driveway, and then there is some stonework on one side of the house. Okay. Holes. Okay. So this again seems like 8-foot wall. So this is the same layout, 2.39 Trenton, 1492 square feet. Okay. Garage, 2-car garage. Okay. Connection for the garage opener. Three, 4, 6.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
340 square feet, although it is 2-car garage. Usually 2-car garage is around 390 square feet. Seems like some issues here and there. Old model. Okay. Decent cooking range. Gas community. Okay. Exhaust. There is no microwave oven. So there is a fridge connection. There is no fridge, of course. And then you have this. Okay. It's 8-foot ceiling. And there is pantry. So you see this. This is 8. Something is amiss here. There is something wrong with the structure, I feel so. Okay, this is the hooking of dryer and washer. This is the carpet. There is no carpet in the common area, but there is a carpet in the bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. So there are no appliances, There is no washer, dryer, there is no refrigerator. There is just garage opener hook, but there is no garage opener. And this is a closet, and this is like dirty gray color of the carpet. And then there is this one is the third one. I think 3 of the rooms are 110 square feet, and the fourth one is 196 square feet. So 196 square feet is one of the biggest room that can have a bed, whereas the other rooms can have queen bed. Okay, so okay. Two bathrooms. Electricity. This light is not functioning. Everything looks fine over here.